Have you ever wondered how much money a U.S. Marine fighter pilot really makes? Uh, Most people imagine fighter pilots flying advanced aircraft like the F-35B Lightning II, performing dangerous missions and landing on aircraft carriers. But few people know what their paychecks actually look like. The answer might surprise you. A U.S. Marine Corps major pilot, ranked as an O4 officer, holds one of the most demanding jobs in the entire military. At this stage of his career, he is no longer just a pilot. He becomes an aviator, a leader, a manager, and a strategic planner all at the same time. A Marine major is responsible for multi-million-dollar aircraft, maintenance operations, flight schedules, and the careers of junior officers and enlisted personnel. One of the most common positions for a major pilot is serving as a department head in an operational squadron. Some become squadron operations officers, responsible for planning every flight mission, training exercise, and deployment schedule. Others become squadron executive officers, acting as the second in command and overseeing the entire administrative side of the squadron. But how much are these responsibilities worth financially? For a newly promoted Marine major who has completed around 10 years of military service, the base salary is approximately $9,420 per month. That equals more than $113,000 per year. And this is only the beginning. As the officer continues serving and reaches 14 years of service, the monthly base salary automatically rises to approximately $10,214. That pushes annual earnings to around $122,500 per year. However, Marine pilots earn much more than their base pay. Because they fly military aircraft, they receive aviation incentive pay, commonly known as flight pay. For experienced pilots with over 10 years of operational aviation service, this incentive is worth approximately $1,000 every month. That means an extra $12,000 every year simply for maintaining their flying status. But another benefit can be even more valuable. Housing allowance. A Marine major with a family stationed at expensive locations, such as Marine Corps Air Station Miramar in California, can receive approximately $3,500 every month as a tax-free housing allowance. That adds nearly $42,000 of untaxed value every year. And there is another monthly benefit. All officers receive a basic allowance for subsistence, or BAS, which helps cover food expenses. This allowance is approximately $328 per month, adding nearly $4,000 in tax-free benefits annually. By now, a Marine major's compensation package can become extremely impressive. But the story does not end here. Eventually, many pilots rotate out of operational squadrons and move into what the military calls B-billets. These are non-flying assignments in higher headquarters and strategic organizations. Marine majors can be assigned to Marine aircraft groups, Marine Aircraft Wings, Headquarters Marine Corps in Washington, D.C., the U.S. European Command, the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command, the Pentagon, or even the Defense Intelligence Agency. In these positions, they no longer focus only on flying aircraft. Instead, they become Joint Air Operations Officers and aviation analysts responsible for coordinating military air operations and developing future aviation strategies. These assignments can sometimes increase financial benefits because they are often located in major cities. However, the biggest financial opportunity available to a Marine major pilot comes through the Aviation Bonus Program. The United States military faces a constant challenge. Many experienced military pilots leave active duty to join commercial airlines, where salaries can be extremely attractive. To retain skilled aviators, the Marine Corps offers massive retention bonuses. Under the Aviation Bonus Program, qualified major pilots can receive up to $40,000 per year if a pilot signs a maximum long-term contract of 96 months. The total bonus package can reach an incredible $320,000. In some cases, a significant portion of this money can even be paid upfront as a lump sum payment. That is enough to completely change a pilot's financial future. And there is still more. When marine pilots deploy overseas, conduct shipboard operations, or enter combat zones, additional pay immediately becomes available. Pilots can receive hazardous duty incentive pay and hostile fire pay, generally ranging between $150 and $250 per month depending on the operational environment. If they are separated from their families during deployment, they also receive a family separation allowance of approximately $300 per month. In difficult operational environments, they may also receive hardship duty pay of up to $150 per month. There is another important advantage.